Okay, bestie, let's talk maths. I know the word itself gives major headache vibes, right? You open the book, and suddenly your brain decides to go on airplane mode. But here's the truth. You don't actually need to sit with maths for hours. What you need is a smarter way to study. Today, I'll give you the full step-by-step guide on how to study maths effectively in less time without burning out. Step 1. Build your base like a glow-up. Maths is like skincare. If your base is bad, nothing else will work. That's why basics are everything. Before you start solving, do a quick recap of the key formulas or rules. You can keep them on flashcards, sticky notes, or even on your lock screen. For example, before diving into algebra, just glance at how to expand brackets. Before geometry, remind yourself of area and perimeter formulas. When you know your basics, you don't waste time getting stuck later. Step 2. Don't just read. Let's be real. Reading maths is like watching workout reels but never touching a dumbbell. Zero progress. Maths is a doing subject, so instead of staring at solved examples like they're bedtime stories, use them properly. Look at the steps once, then close the book and solve it yourself. If you mess up, no big deal. Check where you went wrong, fix it, and retry. That's how your brain learns. Active practice will always save more time than passive reading. Step 3, the 3-step cycle. Here's a golden hack that works every single time. First, learn the formula or concept. Second, practice a few questions immediately, like 3 to 5. Nothing crazy, just enough to apply it. Third, revise that same formula later in the day or the next morning. That's it. 3 small steps repeated daily. Think of it like brain gym. Short reps, consistent effort, and boom, your math skills start leveling up without wasting endless hours. Step 4. Play beat the clock exams aren't just about solving problems. They're about solving them fast. So you gotta train like it's game mode. Grab a timer, set it for 10 minutes, and see how many problems you can solve without stopping to check answers. When the timer ends, then look back and mark your mistakes. Here's the pro move though. Write those mistakes in a mistake notebook. Then when exams come, don't waste time revising every single question from the book. Just revise your mistakes. That's targeted, smart studying. Step 5. Smart revision. Only revision doesn't mean rewriting the whole textbook. It means being clever with your time. Do formulas in the morning when your brain is fresh. Do problem solving in the evening when your energy is higher. And make mini cheat sheets, like 1 page for all trig identities, 1 page for all geometry formulas. Before exams, you can flip through those pages like a quick power scroll. That's how you save time and still keep everything fresh in your memory. So bestie, here's the formula for a maths glow up. Strong basics, active practice, the 3-step cycle, timed sessions, and smart revision. Stick with this flow and maths will stop being the villain in your story. Instead, it'll become that subject you actually feel confident about. Remember, short focus sessions always beat long, boring hours. So study smart, not hard, and trust me, your grades and your confidence will thank you.